You're grounded.
Yay. I want a Spider-Man black cat costume.
No, Hector Carne, you're not getting the black cat costume. It's for girls only to wear, not boys. Now let's go shop for something else.
Oh come on General Scar, I want the black cat costume, please let me get it.
Come on Hector Carne, not this meltdown again. Great, nice going Hector, you made Grim and Guido leave.
Please buy me the black cat costume right now.
Hector Carne, for the last time, no, I'm not getting the black cat costume for you, and that's final. Dang, Hector Carne is always a stupid brain. No sir, that is not funny, that's not okay, that's it, you're banned from JCPenney, but before you leave, you're taking that black cat costume off. It is for girls only, not for boys. After Hector Carne took off the black cat costume off and they leave. Hector Carne, I cannot believe you got us kicked out of JCPenney for wearing the black cat costume. I told you it's for girls only, not boys. That is it. You're grounded for 68 weeks. Go to your room now and never come out, and stop crying, you stupid brain.
I hate you General Scar.